coming. What is that feedback loop? It means you have to remember one thing. Whenever you do something, that means trial and error. That means trying, failing, trying, failing. That means whenever try and fail, that means what you are learning. Remember that. That's why I highlighted red color. Try, fail, fine. That means what you're learning. Again, try differently. Maybe you fail or maybe you learned little bit something. That means trial. I'm trying, failing comes into learning. That means try differently for a better approach. That means alter the strategy like that. That means it's a loop. That's what you wanted to say. There's something called in the habit formation, something called feedback loop. Remember the feedback. That's what I'm saying. Feedback loop is very important now. That means any trial and error. That means it's not a failure. It's like people say, I tried, I got failed. It's not failure. You learned something. If you look at many people say that there's nothing called in this whole failure. It's about whatever we did. If not working, that means we got some learning. So always remember learning. That learning going to help you next time for better strategy, different strategy. Okay. So here you need to remember that feedback loop. So with the practice, useless movements are like when you do first time, you do everything. You don't know whether it's going to be useful or not. But once you found a solution, next time you'll remove the useless steps, useless movements like that. That means next time you'll reinforce only useful actions. That means habit is getting formed. How it's habit getting formed? You are eliminating what is not working. You are reinforcing what is working. That because of trial and error, actually this is like finding what is working, what's not working, what's working, what's not working. That means you're forming by experimenting. That means feedback loop is a key here actually. So feedback loop is a fundamental thing to form a habit. Okay, that's why I just highlighted in the red color.